Hello everyone, welcome back to the Bonsai. Okay, so this should be just a quick short video. This is my tree that I was challenged to do a rock over tree rather than a tree over a rock. So this was one I made. I made this out of polystyrene and then cemented it and that, and we painted it. So this is, I planted then this juniper upside down in underneath it, growing out, so it's growing out underneath the rock basically. I just made a couple of spare pieces of rock. They're just lightweight because they're only made out of polystyrene, but again they're covered in cement. It needs a bit of work doing on the bottom here, it's a bit thing, but today all I want to really do today is I'm going to prune this bush up here, try and make it a little bit more tree like. So this is a box leaf or what are they called again? It'll come to me. I always put myself on the spot and forget names. Honeysuckle, a box leaf honeysuckle. So it's just a little cutting that I put in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just clearing out any of the little shoots that are growing off the trunk that I know I won't be using. So I can kind of see, let's move this rock out the way, it's quite dry up here. I suppose with two trees drinking from it, I probably need to make sure it's getting a good bit of water, and pruning this back will help. Okay, so a little bit intricate in here, trying to see what I'm doing. So I just left it grow. I have quite a couple of big long shoots on this back one here. This one is crossing from inside there. We'll take that one out. Let's reduce this one back to here for now, and that one to there. Don't know if I'm going to use this one. Let's have a look. There's this one in here too. I think we won't be using that one. This one might be a bit long too. I'm going to get rid of that. Okay, let's just prune this back a little bit. Let me take that a little bit back. Try and bring it on a bit closer. This guy a bit low. Possibly we'll take him off, I think. I'm trying to make it look a bit more like a tree, so we need to try and create a bit of a trunk effect. Now these guys, do we want these guys back under here? Don't think we need that one. Probably not going to look much once I've done this bit. It'll take a bit of growing then to fill in. I'm just trying to get some structure growing. So take these back a bit a minute. Two branches here. We're on the same spot. Let me take the top one out maybe. Let's reduce this one back. Okay, at least we can see a bit into the trunk now. Now this one here is crossing, so I'll get rid of him. How's that looking? Do I want this one? I don't think so. I think I'm going to take all that off as well. So we'll leave this as a kind of a back branch, and then it's just a matter of cleaning this out a bit. And I think we can take this one back to there, I think, and to there. Do have some opposite branches here, so we'll get rid of this front one, I think, and I'm going to take off that top one. Okay, I think I'm more or less done now. It's just a matter of letting it grow. We'll let that grow now. At least it's got a bit of branch structure now. So when I planted it was just a little kind of cutting, so I just had to let it grow a bit so we got a bit of branching going. So we did take off quite a bit. I'll show you there. So I probably took off probably 6/8 of the leaf branches. Just gonna take back some of this topsoil on it, top dressing. It's actually just old moss that's dried out. So I'll scrape that back a bit. That'll give us a bit of a lip. So that water, you want to kind of create a lip around so that when it rains, the rain stays in there for a while, long enough to seep in to the soil. If there isn't a lip, it'll run off if it's too dry. Let's see if we can get rid of our watering. Yeah, it's drained. The seaway's running off there now. Now we put it up here, it's sitting until it's soaking in. It normally pours out the holes then underneath. I don't know if you can see that. You'll see it dripping down through the holes where this plant is planted. Got a bit of a twig sticking up there. Now let's get rid of that. Bit of moss around the trunk of it. Okay, so we've got our rock back up here somewhere. Doesn't really matter where it goes. It's just to have the rock above the tree. There's a little fern down here in it, which is clinging on to life. I can tell there's a little, I knew there would be, slug in there that's been feeding on it as it's growing. Get rid of him. Let's put that back in there now. See if we can get one in there as well. Let's see, I did anything left over with the knife in the day. I've got this one here, and it's got a good bit of soil still attached to it. Just put that over there a minute. So that's still got a good bit of soil attached to it, so if we kind of wedge that in a bit. Soak it up. There's another one down there of that same kind. Okay, so we need to get some moss for the bottom. I don't have any at the moment, so I'm not going to do anything with the bottom. I'll just take out the weeds. It's just a little drip tray that I cemented this into. So it works okay. The moss under there should dry out. Okay, so if you want to see how I made this, there is a playlist on it, I think. But there's a few different pots that I've made using the same technique. I use a piece of polystyrene and kind of carve it, then melt it, and then just cement over it. We'll have to put a bit of moss up here as well, just to clean up, and down here when I get some. I do have this other fern, I may as well just stick it in. I'll just put it in, I'll put it in this corner here so that I can keep my eye on it. Okay, so like I said, that was just a short one. I just needed to prune that tree back, it was needed doing. So I said I may as well video it while I'm doing it. So like I said, if you want to look out for how I do these, they're quite easy, quite simple to make, and you can make them whatever way you want. I've made quite a few, so if you check back over my videos you'll see how it's done. So I'll leave it at that. So as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.